So I told you before how to make a tiny book, but I didn't show you something interesting about them, is that if you have a tiny book that you've made and unfold it back to this flat piece, you can have a picture on one side and the book pages on the other side. So let me kind of show you, kind of hard to see with one that's already made. So first, gotta make a tiny book. Remember, fold it in half. And then again. And then one more time. Okay, then you unfold it this time and you look at which side opens up. So this side is loose, it opens, see? And so then on the other side that does not open, see, it's connected, this line just from the edge to the center needs to be cut. Okay? If you haven't got that down, you need to practice that before you can do this next part. Okay, so if you completely unfold it, you'll have a paper with a cut down the middle. See? Blah, blah, blah. But the thing is, you can have a design on this side. So let's see. I'll make a dragon design because I like them. I like fantasy creatures. So you can take more time and make this design fancy, but you see what I'm saying. You can have a design on this side. Just on top of where you have the slit. Okay. And then, if you fold it with design staying in. Okay. So the design's inside now, right? And you have your slit. You push the two edges till your slit becomes flat, and then you can fold it into your tiny book. So now there's that dragon design on the inside, but each page of my tiny book is blank. So I just wanted to show that you can make a tiny book, decorate it, book, and on each page you now have pictures. This one's got things like this, maybe some claws, right? Alright, you decorate each page. But then, if you unfold it, you'll have the big design on the other side. And so you can see your book designs on this side. I just thought that was fun, that you can use your tiny book to have a secret picture hidden inside it too. Try it out. Bye.